Imagine biting into a crunchy pickle or savoring a spoonful of tangy sauerkraut and knowing you crafted it yourself. Ready to turn your kitchen into a flavor laboratory? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see just how fermentation can revolutionize your meals and your health. Have you ever heard the phrase, "trust your gut"? It's good advice, especially when it comes to fermentation. Now let's peel back the layers of this ancient technique. Why exactly should fermented foods be a staple in your diet? For starters, think about probiotics, those microscopic allies for your digestive system. They're abundant in fermented fare, laying the foundation for a happy, balanced gut. Indeed, as it turns out, fermented foods come with a bonus. They're brain boosters, helping to shield against oxidative stress. And there's a pressing dilemma. How does fermentation fight against the global issue of food waste? Simply put, it's a natural preservative, extending the life of your garden's bounty. Now, the burning question, how does one ferment like a pro? Selecting the perfect veggies is step one. Think crispy carrots or robust cabbage. But are you aware of the crucial role salt plays in this transformation? Non-iodized is the key, keeping bad bacteria at bay while coaxing out the good. It's a waiting game, a dance with time and taste that can span days, even weeks. Enter burp lids, making this process as smooth as a well-aged wine. Choosing the wrong container or skimping on salt could spell disaster. From sauerkraut to spicy kimchi, the globe-trotting flavors are endless. So have you ever dreamed of sipping on a glass of gut-friendly kefir or crunching on some homemade pickles? Your journey's just beginning, and with burp lids, you're well-equipped to dive into the delicious world of fermentation. Ready to embark on a fermentation adventure? Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.